Day 2 on the first leg of the Volvo Ocean Race from Alicante, Spain to Lisbon in Portugal. The entire fleet had made it through the Strait of Gibraltar, just an 8-mile gap and one of the busiest stretches of water in the world. Heading towards the Atlantic, the wind strengthened and all the teams entered an acceleration zone with wind speeds in excess of 30 knots. Less than 40 miles separated leaders Vestas 11th Hour Racing from last place Team Brunel. The Dutch team, despite their pedigree and high expectations, were having more problems with debris on their rudders.
Try to veer away if you can. Try to move the rudder on that way. It's almost gone. Gone. Clear.
We're still in the acceleration corridor coming out of Gibraltar, so we're making life a little bit easier for ourselves by going out to where it's a little bit quieter before we drive, and then we come back into the pressure. We've just gained a little bit back on Scallywag, who've just crossed in front of us, so it's kind of nice to be in the mix while it's such full-on conditions.
Heading up the last 4 boats was Sunhunkai Scallywag. They were pushing hard and skipper David Witt was keen not to drop back anymore.
Everyone up. Moat on board. J1 up. You got the harried around, Nipper? Okay, on the pumps. Come on, let's go. Oh, the pins come out of the furling unit under load and the sails dropped in them. I don't know how. But we've recovered really nicely. Could have cost us 3 spots just then. Boys did a good job, boys and girls.